Texas Walker Ranger setup here. I don't know what it's called, Texas tools. Man, I don't even think I'm fucking casting right. The only reason why I cast to the side like that is I'm like super scared that I'm gonna hook my shirt or my underwear and then accidentally pull my underwear up over my head, and it's gonna be a whole situation. Lennon hit the bottom. We're gonna catch a dang on fish. How do you guys do this all the time? Like, how do you guys just wait for hours on end to catch a fish? Is this like a meditation thing? Please tell me. I wanna unlock the secret. Is it a stick? I caught a stick. Nope. We're eating tonight, boys.